Biossance is a high-performance skincare brand backed by science. Our scientists are pioneers in biotechnology, and they reimagine skincare ingredients. Our first industry-leading innovation was sugarcane-derived Squalane. Squalane oil is your body's best moisturizer, and it works on all skin types. Squalane actually enhances active skincare ingredients, making them work more effectively with your skin. Biossance is a brand with extremely high standards, and every single product is cruelty-free and vegan. Let's dive into our Squalane-powered skincare. Biossance products have expert formulations with results you can see. And a good example of that is our Squalane Plus Marine Algae Eye Cream. This targets fine lines and wrinkles with paracrust extract and marine algae. You can see softer, smoother skin in just 7 days. Its luxurious melt-in texture works beautifully under makeup, and you can apply it above and below the eye, both morning and night. If you're looking for the ultimate moisturizer for dry skin, you'll love the Squalane Plus Omega Repair Cream. This rich formula immediately sinks into the skin and never feels heavy or greasy. It's full of skin repairing ingredients like ceramides, omega fatty acids, and hyaluronic acid. This cream repairs your delicate moisture barrier, locking in crucial hydration and protection all day long. Don't let this texture fool you. It sinks in and works on all skin types, even combination skin. And we can't forget the beautiful Squalane Plus Vitamin C Rose Oil. This is a game changer in your skincare routine. This luxurious, hydrating oil visibly brightens your skin with an instant glow. Brightening vitamin C and firming Chios crystal oil work seamlessly with the weightless hydration of Squalane oil. Unlike other facial oils, this is super lightweight and absorbs very quickly. Use a few drops, press and massage into your skin. I love this product after my moisturizer or as my moisturizing step. Biossance products deliver incredible results, which I know you'll love.